Hi students, class 9, exercise number 2.6, question number 2. Simplify the following using multiplication and division property of set. Multiplication and division property of the set. See, here we have 5 Roman number is given. Let me see one by one. The first Roman number is root 3 into root 5 into root 2. The first Roman number is root 3 into root 5 into root 2. For this solution, first we have to see the index of the set, right? Here we have square root, here also we have square root, here also we have square root. By the condition root of a into root of b, both that powers are equal, then we can multiply the terms as it is, root of ab. The same way here root 3 into root 5 into root 2 is equal to root of 3 into 5 into 2, because all the index are equal, that is square root. This term is equal to 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, root 30. So this is the answer. See, the second Roman number, root 35 is divided by root 7. So it is in the form of the index all are equal, then root a divided by root b is equal to whole root of a divided by b. By using this law, let me try this. That is equal to root 35 divided by root 7. The index all are equal. Here also square root, here also square root. This term is equal to whole root of 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35, right? So this term is equal to root 5 is the answer. See, third Roman number is cube root of 27 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 125. This one, if you want to write this, don't multiply the terms as it is. Here we have cube root, right? So 27 is here. If we divide by 3, we get 9. If we divide by 3, we get 3. 3 ones are right, and then 8. 2 times is an even number. 4 again 2, 2, 2 1 times. That is 125. The last number is 5. Divide by 5 means 5 2s are 10. Remainder 2, 25. 5 5s are. Again divide by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are. So this term cube root can be written as cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 is 3 cube into cube root of 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube into cube root of 125 can be written as 5 cube. Here cube root means the square root value is 1 by 2. The cube root is equal to 1 by 3. If you convert this 3 power 3, for this cube root I take it as 1 by 3 power, then 3 will be cancelled, we get only the answer is equal to 3. So in this format, square cube root and then 3 will be cancelled, we get 3 into cube root and 3 will be cancelled, we get 2 cube root and 3 will be cancelled, we get 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 is the answer. Next, Roman number 4, 7 root a minus 5 root b into 7 root a plus 5 root b. Here we have the formula, that is binomial into binomial form. Either you can multiple or otherwise. Let's see this. A plus b into a minus b. One of the term is here also it is a, here also b. Imagine this is also it is a, it is also b. The same value 7 root a, here also 7 root a, 5 root b, here also 5 root b. We have the symbol plus and minus row. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, using this identity, that is solution, this term is equal to 7 root a minus 5 root b into 7 root a plus 5 root b is equal to a plus b plus b. It is the form a square minus b square. So, in the place of a is 7 root a whole square minus, in the place of b is 5 root b whole square. Now we square the terms, we get 7 square is 49. Here we have root a whole square means for this root we have the value, that is a power 1 by 2 whole square. Root value is 1 by 2. It is in the multiplication to a 2 will be cancelled, then we get a only. So a minus 5 square is 5 5s are 25, right? Each and every number you have to square the term, 5 square, and then b. So this is the answer. Or otherwise you are not understanding, just write it one more step. 7 square into root a whole square minus 5 square into root b whole square. Now we can easily understand, that is 49 a square. A square root and root will be cancelled, 25 5 square, and then root and square will be cancelled, we get b. Next, Roman number 5. Square root of 225 divided by 729 minus square root of 25 divided by 144 is divided by square root of 16 divided by 81. See, wherever we have the perfect square number, it is a perfect square number 15 into 15. Here it is a perfect square number 5. Here it is 12 into 12. Here it is 4, and here it is 9 into 9. Let's say the answer. So first one, the square root of 15 into 15. 15 into 15 is 225, and then 729 can be factorized, means we get 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9 is 729, minus here we have 5 square, means 5 into 5 divided by 14. 144 is 12 into 12 is divided by root of 4 into 4 is 16 divided by 9 into 9, 81. First of all, we cancel the terms. Here 3 3s are 9. Here 3 5s are 15. Right? Here also 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Furtherly, we cannot be able to cancel the term. So this term is equal to root of 5 into 5 divided by 9 into 3 3s are 9 minus root of 5 into 5 divided by 12 into 12 divided by root of 4 into 4 divided by 9 into 9. In next step, we are going to applying the square values. Now see, here it is a perfect square number. It is a square root. 5 into 5 is 5 square. Square root under 5 will be cancelled. We get 5 divided by 9. Minus, here also we have 2 times. 5 divided by 12 divided by, here 4 into 4 means we get 4 divided by 9. Taking square root value, right? Here 4 square. Root means we have power 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled, we get only 4, and denominator also the same, 9, like this. Now we want to subtract this first. Here we have the denominators are not equal, so first we have to take LCM for this 9 and 12. First we have to take LCM for this 9 and 12. 9 and 12, if we take LCM means 3 1s are 3 4s are. Again 3 we get 1 4. Again 4 1 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. So here the denominator is 36. Right? So each and every term is multiplied by 36. 5 divided by 9 into 36. That is that form. 9 1s are 9 4s are. So 5 into 4 is 20. Minus this term also multiplied by 36. 5 by 12 into 36. So whatever we have get the LCM, that LCM should be multiple in each and every term. 12 1s are 12 3s are 36. So 5 3s are 15. Here we have division symbol. If I change the division into multiplication means, then it reciprocal the term, right? We have to reciprocal the term. This term, the numerator turns to denominator and denominator turns to numerator. So now 20 minus 15 is 5 divided by 36 into 9 divided by 4. Here 9 1s are 9 4s are 36. It is in the multiplication, so we can cancel it. So this term is equal to 5 1s are 5 divided by 4 4s are 16. This is the answer. Thank you, students.